Yo, what's up? Lubin Sierra here, and welcome back to another episode. Remember, everybody's a world champ. Today's video is gonna be a little different. I've been doing wrestling videos, and today it's more like a hobby now. So yeah, it's fishing. How to make a fish, sorry, just stumbled over my words. A fast fish trap. All you will be needing is some tape, a bottle, whatever bottle you want, some scissors, in this case, safety scissors, safety first. Safety first, kids. Talking about safety first. A knife or a razor. And this. There would be a 2-in-1 tutorial. And let's get this on started. So, what you will be needing, we will do the carton one first, and as you can see, I made like a little scratch right there, and it's actually a hole. You see, poke my thumb in there. Thumbnail. Okay, so I did a little strike. See, you can see that. Okay, now what you need to do is cut triangles. Like, I don't know if I'm saying it correctly or not, but like cut triangles like right there. Yeah, like that. And then another triangle right there. And then another one right there. Yeah, there you go. One more right here. One more cut. You want it to be like an X. I should have said that. Just cut out an X. Now you want to point them in. Not too far in though. And the thing is, always keep this shut for the fish trap. Because if not, they can go through here and escape that way. So always have it like that. And then you can put your bait, maybe some breadcrumbs. Have them pointing in. And it's going to be harder. Like, look. Like, it's easier to go out. But you can hear that, right? If it was an animal, in this case a fish, it would probably hurt. And the fish would be smart enough not to go out that way. We'll try to find somewhere else. And it won't, because this will be sealed. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, that's how you can catch small fish. I don't think you can catch a bigger fish. If you want, you can make it a little bigger, but then it would be easier also to get out. And that's the first one, and it's the... Then, what you want to do... Yeah, then you want to get some string. And you wanna get maybe a couple feet. You wanna be away from the fish. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Alright. Then you wanna cut using the scissors. Cut using the scissors. Okay. You want to cut using the scissors. I don't want it to be that shiny. Cut using the scissors. A snap right there. Oh, it fell to the ground. Alright, you want to get a good piece. You want to wrap it around. This, the handle. These are also life hack videos, I guess, since... Yeah. Yeah, you want to tie a good, decent knot right there. Alright, just you know, double tie. And bow. Little bow, as you can see right there. There's a hole. Now, I'm going to give you a look. What do you see different from what we started? From what we started, what is different? No, it's not the piece of paper back there. It was always there. Leave a comment on what you notice is different. Okay, and there you go. There's a fish. You can throw it. There you go. And see, and it's portable. All you have to do is I shouldn't say tie. I should say, yeah, it's portable. All you have to do is you can do two things. You can shove it inside. You can shove this inside. You can shove it inside like that. Let's see, you want to take the whole piece and backtrack. Yeah, shove everything in, but the tip. See, leave a little bit out. Leave a little bit out. And when you're out fishing, don't forget to put in bait because they're not just gonna go in it. Like I said, they're not dumb. Okay, so this is what it looks like at the end. See, you can just walk, you know, it's lightweight too. And then when you're done, you see you can pull it back out. And since it has the spikes, it won't be hard to take it out. Now this one, you're gonna require other stuff. Well, this one you're gonna need a pocket knife. This is my trusty pocket knife I always use. A razor. Some scissors. A bottle, I think I said already. And some tape. Any tape. And one more thing. Actually, two more things. What you will need is, surprisingly, rocks. Whatever type of rocks you don't need. I don't think you would need many. So this is what you will be needing. Some rocks. I grabbed pretty decent sized rocks. I think they'll be able to fit. And let's put this to the side. Yeah, back there. So what you will do is cut right there. So I gotta, oh, my bad. Dang it. Ooh, that was my bad, I'm sorry. Yeah. Sorry about the disturbance. Just sister. No. Yeah, that's what you need. So first, not again. I caught it this time. I was ready for that one. What you want to do now is cut. Take right about there. Right there. I want to cut just a little bit. Right there. I just did it right there. See? Easy. Grab your scissors and cut. All around. No stopping me now. Don't know why I said that. Don't ask. There. That's what you need. We'll be doing future videos look like this, sort of. Yeah. You need that. Then uncap this. Right there. Can you see? Can you see? Can you tell what we're gonna use now? Oh, you're right. It's tape. You want to put this downward. First, actually, you want to clean that. You gotta clean that. You don't want it wet now. I mean, I guess you can do it if it's wet, but I don't think you should. See, now we have a tissue, not... There you go. Right to bin. Okay. So you want to put that right there. And we're going to grab some tape. Yeah, some tape. Some duct tape would be good. And get some duct tape. See? Oh, here's a tip. If you can't find the duct tape, like the piece to start, use your tongue. Scientists say that, well, it's actually proven that they're more sensitive than our fingers. So cut a pretty decent size. I don't know if I cut too much. Just didn't want to come up short. And now, you positioned it like this, you see, and make sure it's straight. Make sure that's straight, and you want to wrap a pretty good, oh wait, I almost forgot one step. So you cut out the tape, put some rocks in. The rock did not want to go in. Oh. Rock says, I'm gonna put some good rocks in there. Not too many. You want the fish to be good. Actually, I'm gonna see which one weighs more. That's what you should do, actually. Sorry if I'm taking too long. Okay, this one's good. This one's good. This one is too. This one's good. Ooh, this one is also good. Alright, you wanna put that down now. And usually you would put like the breadcrumbs or the food crumbs, whatever you were gonna use as bait. I would do, I have to cut the tape out again. See, that's why you never skip. There you go. It's a nice, decent, a good cut, clean, good cut. That's what